a community.
To do a quick gauge swatch, it says that there's 15 single crochets equals 4 inches. So what I would do if I were you, I would chain a total of 20 and then single crochet second chain from the hook and come back across your chain and only do 5 rows of that. And the reason why I'm doing 20 chains to begin is that it'll give me some buffer on the edges so that I can actually check to see if there's actually going to be 15 single crochet within a 4-inch span. So if you say that you're only going to do 16 chains and then do 15 across, if you're missing stitches, that your swatch is just not lined up properly, you're not going to be able to see the extra stitches that you possibly need in order to accommodate to understand where you are in your gauge. So you would always add an extra 5 to the number and then single crochet second chain from the hook and then going across to do your gauge.